Today I am showing how to download miui8 in any Android device. I will show first my Android device. My Android device is Panasonic and it's running on 6.0 Marshmallow. You can see my device is Marshmallow. Now I will give you the information about how to download and where to download the miui8 on any Android device. So first of all, you should open your browser, any browser. I have Opera Mini, so I am opening the Opera Mini browser. Search on Google. Type miui8 stable ROM. Search. Here you click official MIUI. Global site. You can see here. Here click download miui8 ROMs. So you can officially download the miui8 ROM to your mobile. Here in this website, it will show various kinds of mobiles. Here you can see LG, MI, Google, HTC, Samsung. Here up search button, click on it. You can search any device like Samsung or HTC or Carbon or your wish. You can download. Officially you can download the ROMs. So you can download for Samsung Galaxy Note 3 and for your Moto devices, any Moto device, CA Moto devices, Hawaii Honor, or for your Sony devices, Sony Z2. For any device which you wish, your device, you can download it. It is a zip file around 800 MB or 1 GB. After downloading it, you can install through. Go to your settings. Your device should be rooted. About phone. Software version. Or you could search the search button. Here, software updates. Software version. So here you can install the software what you want. Wireless update. Check for updates, any update. It's showing your device is currently up to date. Go to local updates, internal storage, the zip file you have downloaded. Where is this zip file? Download here miui 16 Java John. You can install through it. Once you press the install, it will directly take you to the recovery mode, and it take 15 to 18 minutes to reboot the device. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe.